In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Google Chrome white screen error. If Chrome is opening to a blank white screen and not loading properly, don't worry. This is a common issue, and in many cases, it can be fixed quickly by resetting Chrome's settings. This method is simple, and it can help resolve problems caused by incorrect browser settings, temporary glitches, or changes that may be interfering with how Chrome starts up. To begin, go ahead and open Google Chrome on your computer. Even if the browser is showing a white screen or not behaving normally, try to access the main Chrome window so you can reach the menu. Give it a moment to load if needed. Once Chrome is open, move to the top right corner of the window and click the three-dot menu. This opens Chrome's main options panel, where you can access different browser tools and settings. If you've never used this menu before, this is where many important controls are located, including history, extensions, and browser preferences. From that menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the area where Chrome's configuration options are stored. If your browser is partially working, this page should still open even if Chrome has been having display issues. The goal here is to restore the browser to its default state without uninstalling it. After you're in Settings, look for the Reset Settings section. Depending on your version of Chrome, you may need to scroll down a little, or use the search bar at the top of the Settings page to find it more quickly. This section is specifically designed to help fix issues related to performance, startup behavior, and browser customization problems. Now click Restore Settings to their original defaults. Chrome will show you a confirmation message explaining what this reset will do. In general, this action resets your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pinned tabs, and it also disables extensions. Your bookmarks, browsing history, and saved passwords are usually not deleted, which makes this a safe troubleshooting step for most users. When you're ready, click Reset Again to confirm. Chrome will then apply the changes and return its settings to the default configuration. Once that's done, the white screen issue may be resolved. After the reset, it's a good idea to close Chrome completely and reopen it to check whether the problem is fixed. If the browser loads normally, then you're all set. And that's it. That's how to fix the Google Chrome white screen error by resetting Chrome's settings.